Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my presents from Santa. So we got this Christmas tree. Let's open the first box. Will be this one. Looks cool. Really cool. Let's open it. Looks cool. I wonder what it is. Maybe hard to open. Kinder surprises. Oh, I think I know who will give it to me. And a toothbrush with a mermaid. Kind of a human. Yeah. Another and a lollipop. I could give it to my sister because I usually don't do lollipops. So we got our first prize. We got a mermaid, 2 Kinder eggs, 2 gummies, and 1 lollipop. Let's put them all together. And now we can open the next box. The next box will be this one. I wonder why it's so small. So we're opening it. Oh my goodness. It's a Barbie! No way. So we got a next prize, Barbie skating. She looks so cool. I'm not gonna lie. So I want to open this one because it's so small. I wonder what's inside. Wow. It's kind of like taped. Wow. So taped. I can't even open it. And I love the Barbie one. It's so cute. It's like adorable. I wonder what's inside this box. I love suspicious. I can't think I saw it. Okay, I think I know what it is. Another Stitch box. I got it from last time. A Stitch box. I think I got the pineapple one. I only want the rainbow one. So this is our third prize. I want to open the other small box. It looks cool again. I think I know what it is. The Stitch one again, I think. Yep, the Stitch one again. I got the guitar one. I also wanted a guitar one. Because it was also a cute guitar one. So we got our fourth prize. I want to put it together because they both are Stitch. Whoa. I will open this one. It looks suspicious. It's so small. I don't think that's for me. I don't really think that's for me. I think that's for somebody else's book. I don't know. But we got our 5th prize. Let's open the box. It's cute. Feels soft. So if you saw more of my videos in YouTube, you might be impressed because I think a lot of them are special. Are you almost kidding? That's adorable. I think it's Stitch. It looks like Stitch one. It does really look like Stitch a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, it's from Disney. I think it's from Disney World because I'm in Brooklyn. It might be hard to open. Not gonna lie, it's really hard. I don't know how to open it. It might be stuck over here. Okay, I'm gonna open it a little later, but I think I know what it is. But I have to open it. Okay, I can't. I'm gonna do it somewhere else. There. What is this? Okay, I open it. Let's see what's inside. Looks like a towel. What's for the bathroom? I think I see a hand. Are you kidding? It's stuck. Okay, there you go. Let's see what's inside. I'm wondering what is it. Oh my god, this towel. I think I want to wear it now. Is that hands? That's ears. Cute. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it for this video. So we got our third prize. No, actually, I'm gonna wear it. I don't care. This looks so cute. We got our third prize. That is Stitch. I love it. I'm gonna wear it forever. So let's put it all over here. And let's open this one. Looks suspicious. Where did this come from? Oh, I don't have a word for it, but we got our, wait. We got our sixth prize. Wow, it is codfish. Ew. Is that a coloring book? No way. Oh, I get it. This too. Oh, my hair. This are for this. I'm gonna color it right now. Actually, later. So this is our 7th prize because this goes with this. So I'm gonna call this 7th prize. So we almost are done. Ow. I don't get it. It's kind of strong, like a mighty cup. Pretty. I think I know what is it. Kind of like makeup. Wait, I see makeup. Easy. Makeup doll? No way. That is suspicious. That is so cool.
Stitch. Look, she got Stitch.
But
She got Mickey Mouse.
But I have Mickey Mouse. And DeMa
What is
this? DeMa. really good. I want to see what's inside. A unicorn box? No wonder. Let's see what's inside. I will actually wish for makeup. And I got my wish for makeup.
She also wished for makeup and she got it. Look, she got this one. You guys share it, so it's gonna be so fun. You wanna guys do that?
For Christmas, it's you. Ow. Baby. I like to dance.
Me too.
Okay. Baby. I wonder what's inside.
People downstairs don't have no Christmas.
What is this?
What? It's real? You guys, it's real.
I know. What is this, Mama? Put up here. Mama, what is this? No, not that.
What? Oh, I know. I teach you. It's when you wash your hair and you do like this and you do.
Oh, it's real.
Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
You can put pencil.
Ow.
I like it. I love it. I love it. I can make a spoon. I want. Let's open the. What's gonna do it? Come for Christmas. It's you.
But excuse me, on the carpet.
Oh,
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
VIP. Mama, do you think you're VIP?
We are very important people, of course.
Me too.
That you think that I'm
Mama.
VIP?
Mama. Yeah, because you have a bed, you have a home. So you're VIP. I think I know what it is. I think it's a pillow.
Oh, it's a good idea, right?
I love pillows.
You like it? Yeah.
Mama. No, wait. Okay, wait. Mama. It's so big, Mama. Ow. It can stomach stuff. Not to break it.
It can.
Mama, he's stuck. Good night.
I can count the other ones.
I know how to do it.
Nice.
So cute.
Very nice.
If Santa want to bring you this, you will be much more happier too. Mom, we have the last present.
On the carpet, yeah?
I want to show you guys this present because it's the last one. Mom, how do you want more present too? Okay.
Move the box.
I can guess what it is. Pants. But I'm gonna twist it out.
There's a pool.
I'm gonna go to school with this.
That would be so fun.
Shirt. Let me test it out again. Mom, over here also.
No. Not really.
Yeah, look like. Why? Next. Pants. Look.
I think maybe there's the top. Where's the top? It's gonna look really good, no?
It's kind of pretty, look. So I like it. Okay, now Mama, over here. I'm gonna look for the clothes that have this or toys, okay?
Good catch.
Okay.
You want me to cut this one too or no?
Where? Which one?
And the stitch.
Okay, Mom, I think that's the only one.
Are you guys happy?
Of course! Why should we not be happy? Subscribe, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, the thumbs button, and the bell. Bye!